Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to episode 23 of my 50k to 100k series. I was gone for a week and a half, but now I'm back and I can finally continue trading again. My account is still at 69.5k, right where we left off last episode. I want to get past 70k this video, so let's just jump right in. Alright, I've just taken my first trade here. It's a break and recess reversal short. Price action is the best when you look at this candle and also around the entry with these gaps. But on my trading view it looks a lot better. This should be a large wick, for example, and I didn't take the first trade here on this candle because price closed above the SMA for a bit, which I didn't like, but then made another retest and a good rejection, which I really liked, so I took this one. So yeah, let's just watch it play out. This trade hit my take profit and slipped me a lot because of news. I honestly didn't expect this news event to be this volatile. Should have been more careful, but my balance is now at over 71k. Yeah, the slippage is crazy, over 3 pips. Could have gone really bad, but this time it worked out for me. Should have been more careful. That could have been a very big loss as well. But yeah, I'm definitely going to review this later and I'm going to look for more trades and keep you guys updated. It's just been a giant downtrend ever since my trade this morning up until now, but I didn't get in on any shorts, and I also wanted to take a long reversal trade here, but price didn't come all the way back to the SMA and the momentum doesn't look that good either with this wick, so nothing for me here. But maybe this is gonna start a bullish trend and I can take some continuations later. I just took another reversal, pretty much the same idea as the last trade that I didn't manage to take. We've got a good reaction of the SMA, which then got liquidated, and price made a break and retest of the SMA with very good momentum. My stop is at the low of this retest wick, and it's somewhat of a bigger stop, but we have a lot of room to the upside after this large downtrend. And there's going to be news soon, basically the same news that slipped me earlier today, which was quite volatile, so I want to be out of the trade before that. Alright, this one ended up being a -1 loss. Not a problem though, since it's a valid trade for me. It definitely had some negative consequences, like there wasn't a really strong break, which would have been nice, but all in all it's still a decent trade, so I'm happy I took it. There's a pretty good trend happening right now, and I didn't get in yet because price never actually touched the SMA, which is a pretty sad rule for me. But otherwise the price action and trend are looking very good, and I'm now looking for price to either come back to the SMA to play continuation, or for it to come back and make a reaction and then break it to give me a reversal setup. I just entered my next trade, a continuation setup to continue this downtrend. I missed my original entry right here, but price came back to where I would have entered, so I decided to take it. The entry model is looking alright, very good reaction of the SMA and decent momentum. Could be better though, since it has a little wick there. But compared to recent price action, my stop loss is quite small, so price doesn't have to go down that much. It doesn't even have to take out this low fully for my take profit to be hit, so that's a positive thing. Alright, after a lot of ranging around, this trade finally hit my take profit. It didn't have too much momentum, but after a huge trend like this, at some point the momentum just slows down obviously, and this brings my week up to 2 wins and 1 loss, I believe. Yeah, 2 wins, 1 loss, decent stats, and my balance is now back at 71.4k, so very happy with that. I was looking at reversal long trade here with this break and retest, but price action to the left is just very bad. As you can see, price just goes right through the SMA and doesn't respect it at all. And for me to take that trade here, this entry model would have to have been absolutely perfect, which it wasn't. I didn't like these wicks, and these green candles are also pretty small and don't show a crazy amount of momentum, so definitely not a trade for me. Alright, I just took another trade and a Gulfing reversal this time with a very good entry candle that also swept all of these highs up here. The price action to the left is still pretty bad. It's a bit better than before because now at least price is kind of reacting to the SMA, but still just a range. And if it wasn't for a candle like this, I would have not taken the trade, but I really like this one. That's a quick 1.5 hour win. Took just a few minutes to take profit. Really happy with the trade. I had a really good feeling when I saw this entry candle and it played out just like I thought it would. My balance is now at 72k. 3 wins and 1 loss for this week so far, so very good stats. Today is Friday and I didn't take any trades so far. It's just been pretty rangy and there were almost no good trends today. This could have been a good trade, but price reacted off something a bit higher than the SMA and also closed above it, so not really interested. And I'm actually going to end my session a bit early here today because there's going to be 2 red news soon and there isn't much going on anyway. Pretty good week, 3 wins, 1 loss. I achieved my 70k milestone this month, which I'm very happy about, and you can see the compounding already really setting in. But anyway, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.